Okay, in this video we're going to create the structural floors for the house. So I'm going to come on up in the Architecture tab and click on Floor. And the first thing I want to do is create a new floor type. I'm going to start with the wood joist 10-inch with a wood finish. Now we want to just create a structural floor, so I'm going to remove the finish. So I click Edit Type. Make sure you hit duplicate at this point. And I'm just going to rename it as wood joist 10-inch with no finish. Okay. And then I have to actually go in and edit it by removing the finish. This finish has oak flooring. I'm just going to remove that by deleting it. Okay. Then I'm going to hit OK. And OK again. So you see now I have my wood joist 10-inch no finish. I'm just going to go around and click the exterior walls. But when I get to where the garage is actually going to be a separate floor, and also this family room with the fireplace. That's all going to be a separate floor. So I'm just going to click this wall at this point. Now I need to trim off the extra part of this line here. Check everything. Double check I'm still on the first floor. Hit the check mark. And it's going to ask you if you would like the floor that overlaps these highlighted walls, would you like it to cut the overlapping volume out of the walls? And you're going to say yes to that. Okay. If I peek at this in a 3D view now, I can see that there's actually a floor in place now. Okay. Back to the first floor. Now I want to put this concrete slab down at this end, that structural floor. So I go back to floor. That's just going to be a concrete slab 4 inches thick. Now this one, instead of placing it on the first floor, it's actually going to sit a little bit lower. I'm going to go to the foundation layer. Okay. And for that one, again, I'm going to click the exterior walls. I'm going to flip that to the outside. And then this last wall here, I actually want the floor to follow the core face of the wall, which is right there. Okay, or the edge of the floor on this side of the wall, which is also right there. So I'm going to come up and I'm going to use this Pick Lines tool. And instead of picking the wall, I'm going to pick this line right here. I'm going to zoom out, and you see I need to extend those corners. So I'm just going to take care of that there, and that corner seems to be okay. I have a 4-inch offset to offset the floor up 4 inches from the foundation level. So the top of the floor is at the top, so that the bottom of the floor is at the top of the foundation. Hit the check mark, hit yes, and now I have the garage / family room floor here also. Okay. Then I could go and add some porches. The porches are also going to be 4-inch concrete slabs, so I just use the floor command, 4-inch concrete slab, and I go around and pick the walls. So I'm going to pick these 3 walls. Okay. And then to get that last wall there's nothing there for me to pick, so to get that last side of the porch, I'm just going to connect these endpoints. Okay. And I still have the 4-inch offset on there. And for this one, I'm going to say no, because this slab doesn't actually intersect and subtract volume out of the walls. I'm going to say no for that. Back here, I'm going to create another porch at the back door. So again, go to floor. It's also a concrete slab, 4 inches. And I'm going to put it at the same level as the interior floor, which is foundation 4 inches. And I'm just going to draw that here, and I'm going to make it that size. Then I can go back and actually dimension it the actual size that I want. So I'd like it to stick out there 4 feet. And I'd like it to be 16 feet long. Nice modular dimension there. And then hit the check mark. Look at it in 3D. And we're good to go.